there are many engineering colleges in southern parts of the country. So I know the uniqueness of Masters Union. If I may ask, why a southern student should come to Masters Union, that too in Delhi, rather than choosing Bangalore, which is a cosmopolitan city,
Right.
and Chennai, which is good in technology,
Right.
and there are many technical campuses, technical engineering colleges in Chennai also that are good enough for a student. And why Masters Union and why Delhi?
So, southern states have some of the best engineering colleges in India. In fact, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai are technology hubs as well. But when a student comes from southern state to Delhi, they get exposed to the national level of exposure. They get to work with students coming from eastern part of India, western part of India, northeast part of India, or maybe, and not just that, some of the students are NRI as well. So they get national as well as global exposure. Plus, Delhi has always been the best place for businesses and decision making because the central government is there. So they get exposed to various projects. They get to exposed to various business leaders or government leaders, and they are in that hub. So south has some of the best engineering colleges in India. But when students come to Delhi NCR, especially let's say Gurgaon, they get few advantages. One is the national exposure. They get to work with students coming from all parts of India, as well as some of the students are NRIs. And second, because English becomes one of the most important language of or medium of communication in their day-to-day activities, whether it's learning, whether it's working on projects, or maybe communicating with their peers or faculty, they develop English as one of their strong language, and their communication skills becomes much better, and which is very important if you want to be ready for the global workforce. The third is, though Bangalore, Hyderabad, or Chennai, they are technological hubs, but Delhi and Gurgaon also has one of the best tech startups in India. Gurgaon has always been known for top businesses and policy making. So students get exposed to a different side of world as well. And with these skills, they can work anywhere in the world or can choose to come back to southern states like Hyderabad, Bangalore, or maybe Chennai to work on in any of the tech companies or maybe business various MNCs as well.